Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add bots to a Discord server. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you need to do first is open up the Discord app on your web browser. And once you've done that, to add a bot, what you can do, you can go onto Google and type the name of the bot you want to add if you know which bot you're looking to add. If you don't know what bot you want to use, if you actually go to this website, which is top.gg, so this is a very good site. It lists some of the more popular bots for the app. And you'll see on here there's a list of different apps. You can even search as well for specific bots in here. And to add that to your server, all you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Discord account first of all. And then once you found the one you want, all you need to do is click the invite button down here. And then it's going to bring you to a bit of like an information page. And then what you want to do is click invite here. And all it's going to do is bring up a new page, and it's going to basically have a drop down box here which says add to server. All you need to do is click that box and choose the server you want to add it to. Go ahead and click continue. And then all it's going to do is list all the permissions that you're going to grant to the bot. And then if you're happy to go ahead, you just need to click the blue authorize button down here. Do the verification. It says authorized, it's got a green tick. So if I now go back to my Discord, we're going to scroll down and you'll see that's been added, Pokemeow, up there. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.